Welcome back, students. In this video we will find out the MGF of these two functions. Okay, how will we proceed? We will proceed by the definition of MGF function. Now what is the definition? Solution है first part का. Okay, तो MXT MGF function will be expected value of e की t. Here it is variable is y ना, तो here I will use y. e की t y. Now put the value of this y. e की t. First case में y क्या है? ax plus b. तो it will be expected value of e की a t x into e की, because it will come in plus, and that I can open like this: a की power m plus a की power n is equal to a की power m into a की power n. This formula I am using directly here, so it will be t b. All right. Now by multiplication theorem, what we will say? E की power a t x into e की power t b. This portion is independent of random variable x. So this is treated as constant. Expected value of constant will be constant. So it will come out as it is from the expectation. It will be e की a t x. So this will be e की power tb into mx a t. This is your function, MGF function for first part. Alright, directly by definition we proceeded. There is nothing to explain. Second part है y is equal to x minus m by sigma. So your MGF function myt will be expected value of e की y t. Put the value of y here, e t as it is. Y will be x minus m by में sigma. This will be expected value of e की t x by sigma into, directly I am using this formula here, e की minus mt by में sigma. Again this is independent of that random variable x. Or firstly we will use the multiplication theorem to separate the expected value, expectation, and then I will use that constant term formula. It is independent of random variable x, that means it is constant. So it will come out as it is from this bracket. So it will be t x by sigma. So e की minus mt by sigma into, what will be the function here? It will be mx t by sigma. This is your myt MGF function in second case.